Give yourself a boost around the house. From changing the light bulbs and cleaning the gutters to putting up Christmas lights, the Ohuhu Telescoping Ladder will come in handy for any project. If you don't have someone to hold the ladder in place for you, you won't be out of luck anymore. Thanks to the innovative buckle structure and 360 degrees rotating stability bar, you can avoid those shakes and wobbles that make using ladders so nerve-wracking in the first place. Plus, the extra wide rungs give you a more stable footing. Whether you just need a couple of feet of boost or require some serious elevation, the Ohuhu Telescoping Ladder is always there to give you the lift you need. Extends up to 12.5 feet, just pull one rung up at a time depending on how high you need to go. Taking it out and putting it away used to be the most annoying part of telescoping ladders, but this design fixes all of that for you. With its ultra-safe and slow descending system, you can rest assured the process is safe from start to finish. Making your life even easier is the one-button retraction for simple, pinch-free putting away. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Innovative upgrades. Patented. It's time for a safer, more innovative ladder. Stands sturdy with the 360 degrees rotating anti-skid stabilizer bar on both the top and the bottom. Plus, the patented buckle structure adds even more stability during use and makes retraction safer too. Number 2. Safe to use. We're all afraid of pinching our fingers when it comes to ladders, but your fingers will be just fine when you use this ladder. Use the ultra-safe, slow descending system to retract it smoothly and slowly. It's also easy to tell whether the ladder is locked thanks to the red, yellow indication at each step. Number 3. Rock-solid stability. Got wobble worries? Rest easy because this ladder is certified by ANSI A14.2 and is built with safety as a top priority. Designed with a 330 pounds weight capacity and equipped with extra wide rungs, it won't shift around as you climb up and down it. Number 4. Upgraded, premium material. Made to last through the years in endless projects and tasks, the high-quality aluminum alloy and sturdy nylon plastic give the Ohuhu Telescopic Extension Ladder resistance to both high and low temperature and aging. What's more, its bearing capacity, stability, and service life are all improved. Number 5. One-button retraction. Complicated mechanisms on ladders can be a headache, to say the least. We've simplified that whole mess with an easy one-button retraction system. Got a few seconds, that's all it takes for the ladder to retract from its full extension. With over 8,000 cyclic tests, this telescopic ladder is durable and safe to use. Number 6. Operation before use. Please loosen the screws on the hook and stabilizer bar before using the ladder, press the thumb button on the feet, and turn it around to make sure it is in place. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.